we'll guide you through how to use the Canva plugin for ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ChatGPT on your desktop. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll find the app section. You want to locate the Canva app option there. Click on it. You'll see a prompt to connect the Canva plugin. Click the connect button to proceed. This will integrate Canva's features directly into your ChatGPT experience. Once connected, you can start using Canva's design capabilities without leaving the ChatGPT interface. For instance, you can create designs or view templates directly from the chat. If you're asked to log into your Canva account, just follow the on-screen prompts to enter your credentials. After connecting, you can use commands within ChatGPT to initiate Canva actions like starting a new design or picking a template. You might want to try out creating a social media post or a presentation. Just type in what you need and ChatGPT will guide you through the process, leveraging Canva's vast library of designs. Remember, with this plugin, you don't have to switch tabs or windows. Everything you need is right here. This integration is super handy for multitasking and keeping your workflow seamless, and that's it. You're all set to start designing with Canva directly in ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.